What are you doing?
Trying out my new shoes.
Oh.
Garden shoes. They're called sloggers.
You're a slugger.
Hey, someone's trying to come outside. What's up, y'all? So it is technically a little bit later in the evening. It is 6:30. I just took a test at school, but for dinner we're having some snack wraps. So I'm gonna go harvest some lettuce. It's a little wet, so yeah, get to try out the new sloggers. Ruh-roh.
Oh.
Where'd the lid go?
Well, no luck on that.
I'll just have to bring it into the garage because I don't want the birdies to eat it. Popcorn popped. Holy crap. Way more popped up. Where's my hoary knife? We gotta be quick because it started raining a bit more, so I'm just gonna go ahead and chop a whole head of lettuce. Voila.
First harvest.
First harvest. Oh no.
Girl. We're gonna go eat this.
Hey. Happy Wednesday. It is the 13th. Gonna spend most of my day studying again, so we're just doing a quick little checky check.
Why are you studying?
Finals tomorrow.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I wanted to leave these open because most of the seeds are germinated, but I didn't want birds to eat them, so I put them in the Jeep overnight.
I thought it was because the lid blew away.
Oh, and the lid blew away. That's right. That's right. Come on, popcorn, do something. Oh, I have a theory. It didn't like being called poop corn. Look at the bee immediately going on there. Hey, birdie, coming to fill it. Hey, birdie. I was gonna say, geez, you gonna fly away? Little baby pea.
Wow.
You can see the little peas inside of it. That is so cute.
Look at the stalk going behind the panel.
Yeah. It grew back.
Look how thick it is, too. That's crazy.
Ooh, we're about to have some peas. No beans or cucumbers popping up yet. That's okay. I've been waiting to see a little broccoli head yet, but nothing. Nothing yet. Oh, wow. Look at this spinach. This is already, we could probably poke a few leaves off.
Eggplants are still a little sad, but
they're starting to perk up.
Yeah, they're not as sad as they were 2 days ago.
Let's do this. How about you get that leaf right there? Stop feeling sorry for yourself. More flowers on the tomatillos. Can you see that? Everything looks real good.
Those potato greens specifically.
Yeah, I don't know why that one in particular is just doing miles better.
Yo.
Radish!
That's a good size one, too.
Yeah. That's so cute. It deceived me. Look at the color change. I remember the packet of seeds I had, they were different kinds of radishes, so it was like a mix.
So since you pulled a whole head of lettuce, are you going to try to grow anything in its place, or are we just relying on what else we already have growing?
I was trying to think. I thought about putting a couple lettuce seeds. I could. Why not? See how it does.
Cool. What you got there?
Little gem lettuce seeds. This was 59 cents at Menards, and I figured why not? I've always wanted to try this kind. Just cute little heads. Let's see what we get.
And there's our harvest of radishes.
Yeah. We'll bring those in, clean them up so we can have them for lunch. Oh my gosh, no wonder why it was 50 cents. But these are heirloom, so could let these bolt and then have lettuce forever.
So is there not many?
There's not much, no. Compared to like, usually the packages of lettuce, they give you tons of seeds. There's a 1/4 teaspoon. Like, I don't know if you can tell.
Yeah. That's all right.
That's okay.
You're gonna bolt in seed someday. Yeah. Come on.
Now I just want to watch Bring It On. These are planting depth of 1/8 of an inch. I'm trying to only put like, there, 4 seeds. Let's see what we get. All right. Oh my God. Oh God. Ugh. Give it good water. Dang, that has really good drainage.
Wish her luck on finals, everyone.
Thank you.
She's gonna finish watering, but then we will check in tomorrow. So we just discovered there is a bird inside the tunnel. She's trying to see what she can do here. We didn't think a bird would be the one to get inside this tunnel. Oh my god. Gardening has been such an adventure. She must have got it out. Now she's looking at her peas. Good morning.
Good morning. Today's Thursday.
Okay, you can't see that under the hand there. It is Thursday, May 14th. Wanting to make this as pretty as I can. Just add some flares here and there. And they're kind of hard to see. I'm not even going to zoom in. These glass beads. So upon making this garden, we did a lot of tilling. And towards the very back where the burn pile was, I don't know if they tried to burn a bunch of these or what happened, but we found a bunch. And I have a random marble in here too. Just gonna randomly toss them out. All right, little by little, we'll make this looking real pretty.
Hey, hey, hey. I just want to harvest some stuff today. Nothing crazy. Today's the day of the final, so wish me luck.
So our daughter didn't plant these flowers the absolute best, not to make her feel any certain way. Some of them aren't planted deep enough, so like this one right here. I haven't even mentioned this to Alex. There's a couple of these that actually look a lot taller and bigger and healthier, like immediately here. So I can't wait to see these flowers. We have multiple more flowers, actually. Multiple more flowers. And take a look at the pea pod. There it is, look at that pea. Ready to see some beans growing.
Oh yeah.
So as you saw in the clip before we started today, looked out and there was a bird stuck in here. I don't even know how it got in, come to think of it. Right there. It's that spot right there. It's open completely. Potatoes are looking good. She's watering the okra right now. Hoping to see them come in soon. Eggplants are still a little sad, but not as sad as they were the day after we put them in. So I don't know. Peppers are looking good. Tomatoes seem to be looking good. So what do you want to harvest today?
Today I'm going to harvest some greens. I just keep looking at this komatsuna here. And it's blowing my mind. So I want to get some leaves. So I looked it up again. It's a Japanese mustard spinach. So I'm very intrigued. Yay! Wow. Look at this.
What'd you get?
Radish.
And?
Komatsuna.
Cool. Today is the day after you took your final. How'd you do?
130 out of 150.
So you ended with a...
A.
Proud of you.
Thanks.
Toki. So it is Friday, May 15th. It's a special day because I'm very, very proud of her. I'm so proud of how she did this semester and she worked very hard. It was a very hard class. But I actually did a bunch of work yesterday and I am super exhausted. So I've been taking it easy this morning. So this garden walk is going to be very, very quick. But one thing I do have to do is take out this compost. And we got to bring garbage in. There we go. Okay. These guys are starting to get a little wind tolerant. And wow, they're looking good. Sunflowers are looking good. Truth be told, I don't think I've seen corn this tall as babies. Because when Alex was doing this by herself when we lived at the apartments, we couldn't get corn to grow because the chipmunks would eat it all. So this is all looking very good.
How do I look?
Great.
I got suspenders because it's about time I kicked. I got suspenders because it was about time I kept crack out of my garden. Look at this corn. So cute. Alrighty, so today, I'm officially done with classes, by the way. Turned in my last assignment this morning. I got a 130 out of 150 on my final, so I kept my A in microbiology. I'm free for about 2 weeks. Not free, but we're gonna go clean up that last bit of garden bed. And that is where our 3 sisters are gonna go. Corn, beans, and squash. Pretty much good to go. Just need to rake up the grass and then put the corn in. I'll put the beans in after and then squash.
It's like I'm at a zoo watching animals in their natural habitat.
Now I'm gonna go in on either end of each corn and do a bean. I'm going to start with these black beans. I'm gonna go until I run out and then I'll probably do the other one. I didn't show it on camera because it was pretty quick, but right here right here, I did a Lakota squash and acorn squash. Acorns, they had really cheap seeds at Menards and I couldn't help myself. Yummy black beans. I'm just gonna put it on the side of the corn here, kind of press it in about 1 inch. Which is about my first knuckle here. I put a very good dose of, where is it? Blood meal, which is high nitrogen, which is what corn likes. Corn is very heavy feeder, or a very heavy feeder. Common misconception with the 3 Sisters garden is that people can put sweet corn, green beans, and like zucchini. That doesn't work. Native Americans used this for mainly, storage crops that would you harvest in the fall and would last you, all winter. So things like maize, dried corn that they ground into flour, beans, dried beans, and winter squash. That's what I like to eat, so that's what I'm gonna grow. Ran out of black beans, so now I'm gonna use the rest of my rattlesnake pole beans right here. I'll probably just let these go to seed, or obviously, but maybe keep them for next year. These are gonna need a really good water. Our first 3 sisters are planted. I gotta go pick up the kids soon, so we'll continue this later. Good Saturday morning, the 16th. We had a pretty big storm this morning. It woke us up. Very loud cracks of thunder, so I'm just gonna come check and see if everything's okay. I'm more worried about my corn than anything else.
Wow, look at the flowers you planted, honey. They're starting to get bigger.
Yeah, look at your flowers. They're getting bigger. Oh, one got uprooted, but that's okay. We can put it back. I had the komatsuna for breakfast today in my omelet. It was awesome. It was just like spinach. It didn't really have like a peppery taste like mustard, but the stem was kind of crunchy and crispy like celery, but it wasn't stringy like celery. It was really good. I definitely want to keep growing it. Is it just me, or did the potatoes double in size? Something's eaten the plant, the leaves. They're not going as fast as like the mammal were eating it. So I might have to put out some traps for roly-polies or slugs or something.
There's an indication of the rain we got last night behind you.
Yeah.
Trey.
Corn stayed just fine.
What in the world?
Look at
This
those
lettuce
turnip
has
greens.
Exploded.
Yeah, I noticed that. And I was like, what?
I think it liked the warm the past couple of days and the rain we got. Good morning.
Good morning. Happy Sunday. We're going to Costco this morning. I'm super excited.
Everything here keeps looking good every time I walk by.
Yeah.
Look at the peas.
I just come over to look at it. Look at that.
Oh my god.
Whoa. The peas I planted finally have a flower.
There we go.
Finally. Lots of marigolds are popping up.
Those are all marigolds right there.
Gosh, this lettuce is humongous. Ooh, look at the spinach.
Yeah, that's spinach right there. It's gotten tremendously bigger.
Eggplants are getting chewed up, man. What is going on?
Wow, those tomato plants, man.
I was just gonna say, I came and looked at this one. These look like they've exploded.
Look at those little flowers.
Wow.
Look at the corn. Look at the sunflowers. Ground is still looking really nice from our storm we had the other day. Unless it rained overnight and I'm not aware of it. What do you think?
I think it looks great. I gotta figure out a bug trap for pepper bed. I think it looks good though. I'm ready to go to Costco.
Do the Cubs play today?
I don't know. Probably. Sunday? Yeah, we'll play. Alrighty, I think that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you had a lovely time watching. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.